Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it going on. When we come for represent. A full effecting man. You don't know it go. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. Look good no man. Look ya. You see that place ya, nation people. The world boss broke the blood clot record. You see me? And set new record. You hear that? A 8 million back-to-back night and show shell way hotter than we hell there. No gimmicks business that about it, you know. No lollipop thing in it. You don't see the material evidence forward out. The world boss dismantle this. You see me? And the world boss have the record for this. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing in my game, no lollipop thing in it to the way how I represent right now. A Gaza way there ain't no other way. No man, yo, let me tell you something. Yo, it over just like Casanova. All these comparison talk when man want try compare world boss in a dance hall with people. My brother, the general said numbers don't lie, you know. Yo, nation people, you see the 29th, we are come back, come destroy in here, so. You hear that? Yeah, the 29th of the month, yeah. You hear that? Yeah, I promise you no. No gimmicks business not there in nation people. No lollipop thing not there about it. The world boss, man. A first class thing, man. We don't see what go on, man. Nobody can stop that, man. Hunger people can hunger chat, man. We have the record for the nation people. You hear that? Yeah. Barclay Center. You see me? Yeah. We have the record for that bomber ass clot. You hear that? Yeah. Remember, you know, people, me the only think only bomber clot sign artists could have do them shit there. You see what I say? Meaning, headlining fucking arenas and bomber ass clot stadium. Me don't go to the used to rap artists and them shit they do them bomber ass clot. If dancehall artists they on there, it's not them are the bomber clot headliner. Popcorn are the first dancehall. You me say headliner bomber clot big giant festival over bomber clot Europe. You hear that? So now gimmicks business are dead about it now, and a lollipop thing in it, my brother. A 6 bomber clot arena Ghana bomber clot ready, sold out. And more on the way. You see me? I forward quick and fast and bomber clot quick. Cause the 29th of the month, the one the way you see me and show you that gone again. No lollipop thing in it, you know. No gimmicks thing in my game, you know. The way all represent, you know. So right now, you know, me no want to hear padras, you know, from the blood clot body, you know. I talk about no bomber clot comparison. I know man I talk about him want clash world boss and nobody I run with no bomber clot negative thing with the bomber clot dancehall greatest of all bomber clot time name. You hear that? We have the blood clot track and class record for that. You hear that? And all the pop thing that about it, the international record, and we set that. You hear that? You try to know that. No gimmicks thing in my game. Remember, one general, the 10-star one. I know I represent Gaza where there ain't no other way. Hey, what am I saying now? A big war jump off right now between Masicka one side and Devin di Dakta Eh? Yo. So Shane Skull run out then and say him a clad. Answer Devin di Dakta. Dog, big man thing. When I listen to the two song them, I not lie. It did look like Shane Skull is no match at all for Devin di Dakta, but guess what? And I go just jump him off on one go so. I go and see where him offer if him a go answer or whatever, because you can't put your foot there and then draw it back, you know. Remember a serious thing I go, remember a war, you know. So you can't say, you can't ball curry, you know. Nah, you can't. Nah, you're not supposed to call the police them, you know. No joke shit not about it, you can't ball curry, now you're not supposed to call the police. So, I go see what I go on, but paper, all me I say, you know, if Devin di Dakta kill Shane Skull, what go on for the genocide? Eh? What go on, because that go look bad on the genocide, you know. So, me ask, you know, why your brain, a masicka go stand up and make Devin di Dakta kill Shane Skull? Me don't know, you know, it's just a question me ask, you see me? Mad mean, my brother. It's just a question me ask. Me don't know. You see what me deal with? Because when time fuck rise on the internet, you know, I always see a bag of blood clot, lollipop and chup vlogger. We want to run with Vybz cartel name and say this and say that. Stop act like you no blood clot see what go on the internet now, you know. Because I don't hear you no want to get vocal about it. But if I the bumbo clot world boss, it not take you nothing. Thank you. It not take your blood clot nothing. For run the blood clot fuck out and run off with no look of pussy mouth. You see what I deal with? But on a fucker. You see what I say? I went on a sitting for address because things out in the media. Everybody boy want to keep their mouth quiet. Eh? You don't want to keep your mouth quiet. Now, you don't boots up war business what they are. When man I say, yeah, we love the unity thing because we see the world boss started and the man them a pick it up from after Killer Show, Beanie Show. And we I say, yeah, the thing look good. Till we all even see Masicka run out even on World Boss Show now New Jersey. You see what I deal with? And we I say, yeah, a great bumbo clot look. You see me? All of a sudden, man run out of Sunfest. And you look at Shishki bag come and tell man about war thing. And them bumbo ass clot there. Then me could have left solo bumbo clot arenas and solo out stadium and gone war with artists who are smaller than me. Eh? You think a back way? Yo, we not go back way. A girl alone can visit with cock way. You hear that? We not deal with, but we not Austria. You hear that? A Gaza, AK, Glock and Astel. Make up a sting them like them running a wash way. Wanna chat boy? Eh? Wanna chat boy? You not idiot? Something wrong with you now? Eh? Me not just show on a while ago. Where the fuck I go on? Say internationally, the Barclay Center record. We have that. You hear that? I hear point odd million back to back. Gone clean. The world boss. Clock off that. 36 flat from out of the blood clot straight. Not even car can do that bumbo clot. Yeah, you're going to need some more bumbo clot time and space for him bumbo clot gear them start kicking properly. You hear that? I remember blood clot horsepower car, you hear that? A 36 flat, them get out of the bumbo clot straight. From the blood clot world boss And the Barclay Center's record crumble. Where the fuck sweet, you know? Cha. Oh fuck, man. What not talk about? Eh? I talk about that. That you forgot talk about when you want something for chat about. Yo, you hear me? Big up FME. Federal Music Entertainment. Federal Gaza. The whole of Trenchtown. The whole of Rosetown, Jonestown, Denontown, Almontown. The whole of Craigtown, the whole of Hanek Garden, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Rima, the whole of Tivoli Garden. Big up the whole of Federal. You know how it go already. A one general, the 10-star one, I represent FME, Bragger Phillips record, Live Wire record, Triple Beat record. You know how the big thing tumble on already, Jizzle. The world boss touch the road. Arenas and stadium been selling out galores. What? Nation people. Hear me now, man. Oh.